Take a ride in the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.